Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix PopMart app not working. So if you're also having problems that your PopMart app that is not working right now and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is what I did myself. Firstly, I closed the PopMart app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So in here, I'm just going to go back to the front page here and then scroll down and click on General. Then scroll down in here again and click on storage, and then we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load here. Now swipe up, click on search for Pop Mart here and click on Pop Mart. Then what I did in here is that I clicked on Upload App, and once again I clicked on Upload App in here. And then I just waited a couple of seconds and then I clicked on Reinstall App, as you can see. Now just simply wait for the PopMart app to completely update to its latest version. Because by doing this, you're going to get the absolute latest version for the app. You're going to force basically it to get the update, if that makes sense, by doing this. And hopefully now when it's done, you can go back into the app and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.